Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to recover password on YouTube. To recover password on YouTube, you need to follow these steps. Now as Google, or you could see that Google and YouTube are the same service, you can create YouTube account only through a Google account as well. So what you need to do is to recover your YouTube account password, you have to change you have to recover your Google account password itself. So now to do this, you want to go ahead and click on the Google account service, tap on the profile initials from the top right and go to manage your Google account. Then here comes the password manager section, or here comes the sign in and security. Then you want to go to password. As you go to the password section, you could then either go ahead and verify and change it, but in some cases if you're not able to do it, then simply click on forgot password underneath, and let's see if you've forgotten your password. So I've actually been prompted to change a new password, but I need to recover. So I can just go ahead and click on the recover password option. Then it's going to ask me to enter in the email address, and it's going to send some sort of OTP, all that. And with that being said, you'll be taken to the field where you could go ahead and create a new account, where you could go ahead and create a new password. And that is the only way you could recover password on YouTube. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.